Hello everybody, this is Tanya Davenport with Coldwell Banker High Country in the beautiful North Georgia mountains. I am in Blue Ridge. I am very close to downtown. You can actually walk there if you wanted to. It's not that far. But as you can see, it's a quiet little community. This one has a circular driveway. The homes are all nice and nearby, but it is a very quiet area. It's sitting on 0.7 acres. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it is 1820 in square footage. It has a crawl space, and it is on a paved road, so it's all paved access. And there's also Mineral Springs nature trail that's just right down the driveway from here in this development. And the development is Mineral Springs Ridge. So I'm going to go ahead and go inside. I've got my little assistant here. She's going to open the door. You can see here there's a little porch out here you can sit on, but we also have a deck that's outside. Out on the other side of the house. You can see here. When you enter, you can see it's got nice lighting. The home does come all furnished. It's got hardwood floors. They got tile in the bathrooms. You see the pretty ceilings. All open floor plan. There's a half bath here for guests that come, or if you're in the kitchen cooking. And there is also a large pantry with a washer and dryer over there as well. Upstairs is the 2 bedrooms and an additional bedroom. So, our bathroom, you can use this all as a main level living. Very nice for families that don't care for stairs unless you got company. So you see the open floor plan we've got going on. Stainless steel appliances. All right, so here's the pantry. Nice and bright. So these owners aren't here a whole lot, so there's not a whole lot in the pantry, but it definitely would be good if you were to be living here full time. So here's your back deck. Nice and spacious. You can hear the sounds of nature. It's just really nice and peaceful down here. And you feel like you're on a private piece of property as well when you're out here. Low maintenance on the outside. Here is the half bath. Oh no, my assistant didn't turn the light on. She didn't open the door. She usually doesn't miss a beat. Yep, that's a toilet.
Let's see what color it was.
I love all the nice colors here. They're so warm and inviting. And this is a very spacious living room. As you can see, there's quite a bit of furniture here, and it's pretty large. And this table, as you can see how large it is, it has 8. If I can count, there's 8. But plenty of room for more. So, nice family gathering. All right, so let's step inside the master that's on the main. Huge. It is a huge bedroom. There is a beam there. That's it though, on the beams, but there's recessed lights, ceiling fan, a little sitting area. Look how big that bed is. And Delilah likes it, I think. You can see you got plenty of space here. All right, and there's carpet here and tile in here. You got a walk-in closet. Plenty of room for Delilah. I don't know if anybody else would have room in there. Tile, shower, tub insert. You got all granite. Nice cabinet space. Very well lit. All right, I'll give you a different view from this side. And of course you can see all of the pictures on the MLS. As I'd said, it was 35 High Point Trail. I'm gonna step upstairs. I don't believe she's turned the lights on. She's falling down on her job. She's ready to go to cheerleading. All right, so we're coming upstairs. I'm gonna go to the left. These rooms are very spacious up here. See if I can turn on the lights without turning on the fan. You've got a place there. It's a large closet, but then you've also got a large closet over here on this side. So it's a very big bedroom. There's room for dresser and desk. And then you can see here, pretty big closet too. A whole lot bigger than what I'm used to at my house. It is a very well laid out floor plan. And I think I mentioned it was 1,820 square feet. It's a single sink here, which works perfectly fine, especially if you have 2 kids. Send them up here and you don't have to come up here and check the place. There's additional space over here. You could put more storage area there if you needed to. There's a tub shower insert.
There's also soap dispenser.
Mm-hmm. And this bedroom, I think it is a little bigger. Yeah, it definitely is. There's 2 beds in here.
This is my bed.
Oh, Delilah's already picked this bed out. Be careful there, sister. Don't mess up people's stuff.
I won't.
So there's another closet there. Then there is I believe that is a queen. It looks like it, but this space is so large, it's hard to tell. And so you also have another closet over here on this side, but let me get a view from here. All right, so let me open up this closet and let you see what it looks like. Looks the same, but it is very spacious. Very, very spacious.
Is that a good size for me, Mommy?
That's a good place for anybody to go and hang out. Use as a prayer room. All right, so as I'm walking back downstairs, my little assistant will be turning off lights. And I just wanted to go over the property. If I can get my stabilizer going in the right direction, I'll go outside and yep, having malfunctioning here. I'll just walk outside out this way. And so anyway, this is 35 High Point Trail. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2.5 bath. It is on 1.7 acres. It is very close to town. If you wanted to, you could walk. You can definitely enjoy the nature trail that's not too far away. There are dues here. The HOA is only $150 a year, so you can't beat that. You do have covenants and restrictions, but they're very, very good here in this community. I don't see anything that I have ever had a problem with, and a lot of people enjoy being this close to town and in this location. And it is a beautiful home with low maintenance on public utilities. So Delilah always likes to tell what she loves about a property, and I'm going to let her tell you what she likes at this one.
My favorite part of this house is the upstairs. The blue room.
Which one? Weren't they both blue?
Yeah, the one with the one with the 2 beds.
Oh, the one with the 2 beds.
Yeah.
Yes, the one that I would think that the oldest would get, not the youngest, right?
No. And that is my favorite part. And I also like the living room because it's big.
It is big. You could do lots of cartwheels in there, couldn't you, Delilah?
Yes.
All right. Well, if you have any questions on this property or any others, don't hesitate to contact me, Tanya Davenport, with Coldwell Banker High Country in the beautiful North Georgia Mountains, 706-455-6977. And if you're lucky, you might get to meet this little girl if I take you and show you around the property.